Hello, fellow hobby nerd. Today is an important day for my project to create a dread mob army. Yes, but also a very sad day for my mission to reduce my hobby piles. Why? Because today I have received in the post the final purchases of kits that I need to create the dread mob. And consequently, also, I have made my pile of shame just that little bit bigger. You can check out this video about my dread mob army list in the link above there. But so until now, the story so far is that I have only got in my possession one mech, 20 or so grots. Well, I've got something about that as well, but and one unit of killer cans for the dread mob army. Then recently, I did get the stomper that I need, and today I've received all of the last remaining kits that I need in this box here to do the remainder of the army. So let's take a look. So this video will be a bit of a preview of future videos where we assemble and paint these kits. So first thing you'll notice, I have got the second box of killer cans. Well, I've already made one set of killer cans. And I got the first kit off of eBay, so I didn't really have any weapon options. It was all pre-assembled. But this kit, because I'm buying it new, I will get the opportunity to make videos about magnetizing the different options and things like this. So that should be something fun to look forward to. And I bought, and of course I've got some grots. I do have 20 non-Games Workshop grots, which are much cooler than these grots. And I'm not even particularly planning on using these blocks, these grots, because I bought this kit mainly for the runt head weapon options, because I need to do some conversions. I need about 2 or 3 more runt herds, so I want the bits from this kit to create some custom runt herds. The grots I feel like I might use for conversions of other sort of grot type things, like distraction grots, ammo grots and things like this. But I actually have the remaining 10 grots are going to be a special conversion, which I'll speak about later, using some other kits. So that's that one. And what have we got now? Oh, this is 2 Death Dreads. So this is the 2 Death Dreads. It's not a very good box. It's not got anything on it except says Orcs Death Dreads. So that's something to look forward to. We'll probably do magnetizing videos as well for that, building it and whatever in the future. And then we got a Morkanaut, so that's that. And of course, because the list has a Gorkanaut and a Morkanaut, I've got another box as well of those. So there's 2 of them. And then that's all of that then. It's pretty much, let's just arrange these a little neater. So there we go. That's all of the kits I need to create the Dread Mob army list. So look, I hope you will look forward to future videos about the Dread Mob army, its assembly and its painting, and any games I play on it. Perhaps some tournaments. I hope to do some tournaments. It's going to be my first tournament list. That was the intention anyway. So that's pretty much it, really. I don't have much else to say in this video, so bye for now.